Oh, right. Deck demo time. Just to give you an idea of how mouldy and fucked this roof is. That's under the deck. So there's tin and untreated chipboard under it. And that's more or less why this room smells like absolute rat piss and all sorts of other shit. What's good? Got my skilly replaced. It was a bit, I don't know what it was, motor was burnt out or something. Impact drivers replaced. My planer and my multi-tool are still away getting fixed, but they replaced the other two on the spot, which is cool. So we'll probably try and focus on finishing cutting this out today. I don't want to demo the top deck till I can do those two windows. That one's getting remade, it's too small. That one's getting remade, it's too small, but I'm going to re-jam that one and put it down there. And all that means is that the heights... Jesus Christ. The heights for the rest of them will all need to change. That's right, that's what it is. That's getting deleted, those are both getting brought up. This one will probably get deleted and that one made larger and brought into the middle more. That range slider will stay and this will be the main access down to the flat. So I hit up the geotech guys and we're going to look at running the pile line down the front of the house just to stop any movement there, and then probably run the retaining down here somewhere. I'll just see what it looks like cost wise.